Most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong, and that's why they get average answers. In this video, I'll show you how to chat with ChatGPT like a pro so you get accurate, powerful, and business-level results every time. You type a question. ChatGPT gives a generic answer, and you get frustrated. That's not because ChatGPT is bad, it's because your prompting is weak. The quality of your output depends entirely on the quality of your input. ChatGPT works like a human assistant. The better you explain, the better it performs. Think of it like this. Bad input equals average output. Smart input equals powerful output. Method 1. Be specific. Don't just say, write a blog. That's too vague. Instead say, write a 1,000-word SEO blog on digital marketing for beginners with headings and examples. Specific prompts always lead to better, more actionable results. Method 2. Give it a role. You can assign ChatGPT a professional identity. Example, act as a business consultant and suggest 5 startup ideas under 1 lakh rupees. Now the response becomes much more expert level and tailored to your needs. Method 3. Define the format. If you don't define it, ChatGPT has to guess. So tell it clearly, give answer in bullet points, create a table, or write like a YouTube script. Method 4. Iterate. This is the most important step. Don't stop at one answer. Say, make it shorter, make it more engaging, or add examples. ChatGPT improves every time. Method 5. Add context. The more context you give, the better results you get. Example, I run a YouTube channel called DigiFAQs. Suggest content ideas for beginners in tech. Method 6. Use follow-up questions. Treat ChatGPT like a conversation, not a search engine. Avoid vague questions, not refining answers, and expecting perfection instantly. Use the power prompt formula, role plus task plus format plus context plus tone, every time. Subscribe to DigiFAQs for more smart tech content. Comment prompt for my free guide.